we're almost there, everyone. We're gonna make our sales target this year. Let me show you how great we're doing. That's our target sales, and that's our actual sales.
It's not even close. Yumi, I've closed the deal with my client. First time ever.
Yay! I think we should celebrate this over pizza with extra cheese and sausage on top.
I don't need fork.
Here's a quiz. Which country ranked number 1 among the happiest countries in the world?
Switzerland?
Close, but no cigar.
Denmark.
Close, but no cigar. The answer is Finland.
Oh, Finland.
Finland. Okay, back to work.
Hey, Kyoda.
Yep.
That was close.
And yes.
Oh no, I'm gonna be the last one here.
Don't forget to close up.
Oh yeah, will do.
Okay, another 3-hour online meeting.
All right. I'll be in room B. Michelle, could you keep a close watch on Kyoto? Make sure he doesn't pass out.